My name is Josh Safran. I'm the owner of the Gents place in Bentonville. I've been living here for about 7 or 8 years, moved from bigger cities, and I felt that there was an opportunity here in Northwest Arkansas to do something for gentlemen in this community, and we thought it would be a perfect time and place to put it right here in Northwest Arkansas.
The goal is to empower men. When you look and feel your best, you perform your best. And so there's nothing better than a fresh cut and a fresh perspective, and you have the confidence to kick butt for the rest of the day, the week, the month, whatever.
The Gents place is to have guys come in here and have their grooming be more than just on their to-do list. We want it to be an experience. We want guys to be able to come in here and utilize the club for business meetings, for networking, and the most finest grooming in Northwest Arkansas.
Walk in, you're greeted warmly with a beverage, great conversation. Go back and you have your service of choice. It's a very familial, relaxed feeling. It's low pressure, and then ultimately they're leaving us feeling better than they arrived.
We offer what I call the good, better, best, the 3-course, the 5-course, and the 7-course. The 3-course is your basic, really good haircut, consultation, shampoo, condition, and a hot lather neck shave. The 5-course layers in a mini facial, and then the 7-course is everything in the 3 and 5, plus a shoulder, arm, wrist massage, and a hand paraffin wax. And then we have a whole suite of a la carte services, which includes waxing, foot repair, hand repair, and things of that nature.
We work hard to provide an exemplary experience, and we feel like our reward is all of the high praise that comes with it.